Hello, my dear students. We just learned about how to find out the volume, and now we can discuss about some of the more interesting problems. First question is: truck is loaded with the sand 4 meter long, 2 meter wide, and 1 meter high. The price of 1 cubic meter of sand is 1,000 rupees. That means 1,000 rupees. What is the price of this truck load? Our container length 4 meter and breadth 2 meter and height 1 meter. At first we want to find out the volume of this container. Okay, so how can we find the volume? The volume equal to L into B into H. This is the equation for find out the volume of a container. So that means a rectangular block. L here, that is 4 meter. Here is 4 meter and 2 meter, 1 meter. All the measurements are same. So that means all the measurements are in meter. So we cannot change that into the centimeter or else. Okay. So we can write that 4 here instead of L, length, that 4 into breadth, that is 2, into height, that is 1. Now we can multiply it. 4 into 2, that is 8, you know that 8, and 8 into 1, so that is again 8. So that is answer is 8. In here all the measurements in meter, so we can write this cubic meter. Cubic meter. Okay, and one more question we have. The price of 1 cubic meter of sand is 1,000 rupees. The price of, so we can write at first price of 1 cubic meter of sand is equal to 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. Therefore, here this is 8 cubic meter. So we want to find out the price of the truck. The volume of this truck, that is 8 cubic meter. Okay, 1 cubic meter is sand 1,000 rupees. So what is the price of 8 cubic meter? 8 into 1,000, 8,000. Okay, so price of the sand equal to 8 into 1,000, 8,000 rupees. Okay. So let us see the next problem. What is the volume of the cubic meter of the platform 6 meter long, 1 meter wide, and 50 centimeter high? Okay, so is a platform. The length of the platform is 6 meter and its wide is 1 meter, and one more the measurements are given 50 centimeter as height. Okay, so at first we can write that the length 6 meter that is given, and breadth 1 meter, and height is equal to 50 centimeter. Here the length is 6 meter, that is in meter, and breadth, that is 1 meter, because that is meter in meter, and here this is the odd one because this is centimeter, 50 centimeter. At first we want to convert that into meter. Okay, so what is 50 centimeter? 50 centimeter is equal to half meter. Half meter, or you can write 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. Okay, half meter, that is equal to 0.5 meter. This is clear. 50 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. You got it? Now we can find out the volume. Volume equal to L into B into H is equal to L 6 meter length, 6 into breadth, 1 meter into height, half meter. Okay, 6 into 1, 6 into 1 by 2. Again I just write 6 into 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 means 6 into 1 by 2. I think you know that 6 by 2. Okay, 6 into 1 by 2 is 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. 3. So the measurements are in meter. So the volume cubic meter. Okay, so the volume of the platform 3 cubic meter. Okay, so next problem. What is the volume of the piece of wood which is 4 meter long, half meter wide, half meter wide and 25 centimeter high? The price of 1 cubic meter of wood is 60,000 rupees. What is the price of the piece of the wood? So that means we have wood or means we have a piece of wood length 4 meter, width half meter. So the both the measurements are in meter, and one of the old one is height 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter, we want to convert that in into meter. 25 centimeter 1 by 4 meter. How you get that? 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter, 50 centimeters equal to half meter, 25 centimeters equal to 1 by 4 meter. Okay, now we can find out the volume from here. L into B into H is equal to L into B into H. L 4 meter, 4 into breadth, that means the width 1 by 2 into height 1 by 4. Okay, so here 4 into 1 by 4, we can do it at first, this one 4 into 1 by 4, 4 into 1 by 4, this one is more easily 4 into 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4 into 1 by 2. Once again 4 into 1 by 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 by 4, okay, into 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 4. What is 4 by 4? 1. 1 into 1 by 2, answer 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay, so I'll the question again, the last portion. The price of 1 cubic meter of wood is 60,000 rupees. The price of 1 cubic meter of wood is 60,000 rupees. So our answer is half. The volume of the wooden piece half cubic meter. So what is the price of the piece of the wood? 1 cubic meter 60,000 rupees. And what is the price of half cubic meter? 3,000. Okay, the price of wood is half into 60,000 is equal to 60,000 by 2, 30,000 rupees. Okay.